Now let's check a few types of research. First one is applied research. Applied research aims at finding solution to an immediate problem facing a society or an organization. Applied research finds, we all know that research means finding solution to a problem, whereas applied research finding solution to an immediate problem happening in the society or in an organization. For example, if trade union makes an issue, okay, employees has some issue and trade union make it as an issue, and they are saying that they won't work for that day. That is an immediate issue that an organization or a business should take care of. They should find solution to that immediate issue. Otherwise, what will happen? Their production will stop and they will face losses. So, applied research finding solution to a immediate problem. Next one is basic research. Basic research is also called as fundamental research, pure research. Okay, so basic research is gathering knowledge for knowledge. So basic research means gathering knowledge for knowledge is termed as basic research. So what is gathering knowledge for a knowledge? Examples for basic research are research of human behaviors, natural phenomenon, right? We know that human behavior, right? We are humans, and having a research to study what human behavior. So gathering knowledge for knowledge. Next one is exploratory research. From the word we can see what is that means. Exploring. It is a process of exploring the problem and find solution to the problem. Exploring all the aspects of the problem, right? There must be a problem happened, and exploring all the aspects of the problem and finding solution to the problem. Example, investigation of crimes is an example for exploratory research. At that time, what they do, the investigator, what they do is explore all the aspects of the crime, and finally they will find the culprit. So next one is descriptive research. From the word we can catch the major purpose of descriptive research, description of the state of affairs it exists at present. Descriptive research describes the state of affair exists at the present time. The main characteristics of descriptive research is the researcher has no control over the variables. He can only report what is happening. He can only describe what had happened. For example, a research is conducting to find the most frequent diseases that affect the children of the town. So what does the researcher could do? They could find what are the diseases are spreading, and why they are spreading. He could only describe what is happening or what had happened. He can't make a solution, like he can't stop it, right? He could only say like this. That's what descriptive research is. Next one is causal research. Causal research, also called as explanatory research, it is an investigation of cause and effect relationships. Causal research investigates cause and effect relationship between variables or anything. Okay, so to determine the cause and effect relationship, causality, it is important to observe variation in the variables. Assume that to cause change in other variables. That means there will be variable, right? Let me take an example. Okay, advertising and sales, right? Advertising and sales are dependent. Why? Because how much advertisements we give, that much it will reach to the audience, so that our sales will get increased. Okay, so we have to study advertisement clearly, and what are the changes or what are the variations advertisements makes in sales, and after that we can measure the changes in other variables, right? We can measure the changes in the advertisement and the sales.